I don't buy ice cream anymore. I make it at home with only 3 ingredients. In a blender, add 2 cups of hot water, 4 teaspoons of strawberry gelatin, and let mix until completely blended. Let me know if you have any ice cream recipes. I'd love to hear about them. Now add 2 cups of ice-cold water, 2 cups of heavy cream, 4 cups of condensed milk, and whip again until smooth. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug is for Kalyani Hertogs from Sri Lanka. I'm happy to hear you're loving our recipes. After mixing everything, transfer it to a dish and leave it in the freezer for 2 hours. After completely allowed to cool, transfer it to another bowl and mix with a KitchenAid for 10 minutes. You guys, this recipe is very easy to make and it's delicious. I'm sure you and all your family will love the result. Make this recipe at home and then come back here to tell me what you thought. I'd love to know. Now put it back in a dish and leave in the freezer overnight. And our strawberry ice cream is ready. Just put it in a bowl and add the topping of your choice. Look how delicious it is! I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.